Welcome to Get Your FRQ On. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use your graphing calculator to determine infinite limits. So the first thing we'll need to do is whatever function we're dealing with, we're going to want to add that to our y equals editor. I've already added one in here. I've made sure that it's got some vertical asymptotes that we can test at. So I'm going to graph this function, and as I look at it, all right, it kind of looks like it's got a vertical asymptote somewhere between 0 and 1. And another one maybe at 3. And so let's say we wanted to determine the limit as x approaches 3 from the right. All right, so just values that are close to 3, so values of x that are close to 3, but still a little bit bigger than 3. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my table, right? And I want to make sure it's set to ask because I don't want evenly spaced increments here. I just want to be able to plug in numbers that I choose. All right, so it's already set to ask, so I'm going to go to table, and then, I don't know, let's evaluate the function at 10. All right, so 10, it's 0.54. We want to get closer to 3. Let's move closer to 3. Let's do 5, 4. All right, so we're getting some slightly bigger numbers here, and then let's do 3.5. All right, now we're a little bit, before 1, or greater than 1. But let's get really close to 3. Let's do like 3.1, 3.01. And now notice at 3.01, we're already at 40.44. If I get even closer to 1, I get 400. That's a pretty good indication that the closer I get to 3, these y values are going to increase in magnitude. It appears to be for every negative power of 10, I get closer to 3, my y values increase by a corresponding power of 10. So, based on what I see here, if I had to guess, the limit of that expression as x approaches 3 from the right is going to be positive infinity. And again, that is backed up and supported by the graph. So as I approach 3 from the right, the graph does seem to be moving up. So that's a way you can check for vertical asymptotes and infinite limits on your graphing calculator.